Why does your scanner show the P1334 engine code? What does it mean? P1334 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil, knock detection, cylinder 3 and 4. The P1334 code is a manufacturer-specific diagnostic trouble code, DTC, meaning its exact definition and cause will depend entirely on the make and model of your vehicle. It generally relates to ignition system failures, combustion detection errors, or sensor faults. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition cassette, DIC, bad or fouled spark plugs, wiring or connector issues, failed sensor, worn or incorrect spark plugs. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, GMC, Saab, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.